Right, so if you bought one of these brilliant mulching blades, the Oregon mulching blades, absolutely amazing for brush cutting and stuff, getting down brambles and all sorts. So with a new one, don't just put it straight on, like this one here. Try and show you a close up of the edge. Very rounded edge, and it's not the paint, trust me, it's not the paint. I'll get my blowtorch out and melt it off if I had time, but I might do that in a future video. But yeah, this is seriously dull. So yeah, before putting it on, give it a good sharpen just to get a little bit more of a point, because these are actually very dangerous when they're blunt. You can get some nasty kickbacks, and also if you're sort of trying to do a bit of fine trimming around shrubs, if this is blunt, this will jump around, and I've done it in the past before. I was trimming around a nice rose that the customer wanted keeping in an overgrown area, and yeah, it was a bit blunt, and it accidentally caught and it jumped and it took the rose out. So she was right about it. But yeah, you want to keep these relatively sharp. It actually does a lot better job as well when you're mulching. You won't be just bashing it. It should be cutting it, not bashing it. A lot of people get that wrong. This is a little 3mm version one as well. You can get the 4mm thicker version. Yeah, the 4mm version's more suited to the more powerful brush cutters and strimmers and stuff. This little lightweight 3mm one's good for sort of the smaller engined 25cc, anything up to 30cc. So if you're unsure which one to get, the 3mm or the 4mm. If you're over 30cc, consider the 4mm. Under the 30cc engine range, 3mm should be fine. And again, it all depends on the application as well, what you're doing. If it's just a light little, if you only want it as sort of like a little plonk on every now and then and just tackle a few things, then yeah, the 3mm is probably fine. But yeah, if you're tackling more serious work, yeah, you probably want to get the thicker 4mm version. So I've already checked this angle, and these angles are actually better on these ones. If you saw any of my previous videos, I showed the angle on these was quite shallow. I've checked these and they're around 40 degrees, which is pretty good. So yeah, you want to keep it around 40-45 degrees, and your edge is going to last. Edge is going to hold. So I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm just going to give it a bit of a sharpen, just to get a little bit of an edge back. And again, I can't even be bothered to get it in a vise. I'm just going to hold it and just do this bit, and then yeah, but obviously get it in a vise if you're not comfortable. Yeah, should be right. Doesn't need to be a razor sharp edge, just needs a little bit of a point. This one's very, very blunt. You probably won't be able to tell. Yeah, it's a bit better. Like I say, get this in a vise. Don't copy me and try and freehand it. Very dangerous. But yeah, just want a nice little edge, and that should cut well. So yeah, I hope that helped. Smash the like button if it did. Be really appreciated. Helps the channel out and all that YouTube nonsense. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers.